Royal Purple Performance Chemicals maximize performance, restore fuel economy, and keep fuel systems clean. Throughout the fuel system, Royal Purple provides the enhanced performance you want and the superior protection you need to keep your car running like new. Royal Purple Max-Atomizer quickly cleans clogged and coked fuel injectors to restore maximum injector flow, stabilizing ethanol and maximizing horsepower, restoring fuel economy, and improving responsiveness. MaxClean is a state-of-the-art fuel system cleaner and stabilizer that deeply penetrates deposits and cleans injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, maximizing performance, restoring fuel economy, and stabilizing fuel. Max Boost is a high-performance booster and stabilizer designed for turbocharged, supercharged, nitrous-injected engines and engines equipped with carburetors, port fuel injection, and direct injection. Max Boost increases gasoline octane, enhances engine performance, and stabilizes fuel. Maxtane Total Diesel Performance is an all-in-one, all-season diesel additive specifically formulated to eliminate the problems in high-pressure common rail diesel injection systems, restoring fuel economy, and improving engine startup and reliability in all types of diesel exhaust emission systems. Purple Ice is a high-performance radiator conditioner that works with antifreeze to defend against corrosion and deposits, and decreases the surface tension of radiator coolant, reducing engine temperature and optimizing cooling system operation and life. No matter what you drive, drive farther with Royal Purple's Performance Chemicals.